Good morning, Cody. This is a great way to start the morning, right? We're going to do a little Pascal's triangle problem. This is one that was on one of the quizzes you took. Here's the problem. It is a little bit challenging because it's actually z minus k to the sixth. Most of the practice problems would have had that be a positive. That can actually be rewritten we can turn it into a positive simply by making it z plus negative k to the sixth. Same thing. Now we have a positive expression. Refresher on the Pascal's triangle tool. Let's put one together. This one's a little small, so I'm just going to start from the top. We're trying to get to the sixth. So we have a 1 and a 1 and a 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. And throw on some 1s. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Throw on some 1s. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And throw on some 1s. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. And throw on your ends. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 10 is 15. 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. And throw on some 1s. Maybe that's enough. Let's see. We're trying to get to the 6th power. This one is to the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. So there we have the row we need. So let's set this up. I like to make sure I have plenty of real estate for these because they're so long. So I'm going to start with my 1s on the ends, my 20 in the middle, a 6, and a 15, and a 15, and a 6. My first term is the z, so I'm going to say z to the 6th, z to the 5th, z to the 4th, z to the 3rd, z squared, z, and z to the 0. And then my next term is negative k, so it'll be negative k to the 0. Negative k to the 1, negative k squared, negative k to the 3rd, negative k to the 4th, negative k to the 5th, and negative k to the 6th, and then plus signs between all. Move this up a little bit. Hopefully you can see this. Focus a little bit better, maybe. Ooh, is that better? Maybe we got it close enough. Alright, now I'm just going to simplify all these terms a little bit. I'm going to take a couple of passes at it, actually. So this one will be z to the 6th, and that's it, because this is 1. Z to the 6th times 1 is z to the 6th. Plus 6z to the 5th minus k, right? Plus 15z to the 4th, I'm going to just call that k squared because it's the same thing and it gets rid of a pesky negative sign. Plus 20z to the 3rd. Now, I don't want any negative k terms, so rather than have that be a positive term, oops, I'm going to have it be a negative term. Oh, that's not a very good eraser, is it? Okay, and then we'll just say k to the 3rd. And then it's plus 15z squared k to the 4th, because they're the same thing, plus 6z k to the 5th. Turn that into a negative. You'd think I could see that coming. Plus right, plus, this is a 1, so it's just going to be negative k to the 6th, which is the same thing as k to the 6th. So we should go, I was going to say we should alternate our signs, but look at what I did. I'm going to turn this into a positive k, but make it a negative term. That's how we check our work. Okay, so it should be negative positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. That's excellent. Can we simplify this any further? I think that's good. That's as simple as that's going to get. We're done.